Hello, mathematicians! Today we're going to play a new game called Pattern Block Grab Compare. And today you're going to grab two handfuls of pattern blocks, one with your right hand and a second grab with your left hand. Then you're going to figure out which hand grabbed more pattern block pieces. So I'm going to reach into my bag today and I'm going to do a grab with my left hand. And then I'm going to do a grab with my right hand. And I'm going to figure out which hand has more. So here are some pattern blocks in my left hand. Here are some pattern blocks in my right hand. On your recording sheet today, we're going to be showing our left hand grab first, and then how many we grabbed with our right hand. So I'm going to dump how many pattern blocks I grabbed with my left hand right on my paper at the top. And then I'm going to put how many I grabbed with my right hand on the bottom. The next thing that we need to figure out today is we need to figure out a way that we can represent how many pattern block pieces we grabbed. If you were recording on your recording sheet today, what would you try? How would you show how many you grabbed? Can you share your ideas with me? I bet some of you are saying that I could trace or I could draw the pattern blocks. I could even use colors to match what colors our pieces are. You might be saying that I could label them. I could write that beginning sound of each block, an H for hexagon, a T for trapezoid. There are lots of different ways that we could represent how many we have grabbed. Today, I'm going to use some tally marks. So I'm going to line up my pattern block pieces. I'm going to figure out how many my left hand grabbed. What do you notice? How many did I grab with my left hand? Let's double check by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to draw 5 tally marks, little lines going down to represent, I know when I get to 5, I do that diagonal tally mark, to represent that I grabbed 5 blocks. On our recording sheet, we're also going to write that number to represent how many we grabbed. So with my left hand, I grabbed 5. Now let's look at what I grabbed with my right hand. I'm going to move my pieces up. What do you notice? How many did I grab with my right hand? Let's double check by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to draw my tally marks again to represent how many I grabbed, and I'm going to write that number 4. So now we're going to compare our two amounts. With my left hand, I grabbed 5 pieces, and with my right hand, I grabbed 4 pieces. Which number represents a larger amount? Did I grab more pieces with my left hand or more pieces with my right hand? Yes, you knew that 5 is a larger quantity than 4. So our last question today says, which is more, left hand or right hand? And then you're going to circle at home if you grabbed more with your left hand or if you grabbed more with your right hand. So remember today when you're playing, first reach into your bag and grab 2 handfuls, one with your left hand, one with your right hand. Then think about how you will represent how many you grabbed with each hand. And remember, at the end you're going to compare to figure out which hand grabbed more pieces. I hope you have fun playing.